Hi, my name's Steve and today I'll be presenting features available in Alpha BusinessLine for November 2022. Today I wish to present some extensions to AdSuite Market and enhancements in the AdSuite Admin, new functionality around material chasing, development idea from Alpha for copy chasing and customer correction proof, and finally authentication with Outlook 365. The first enhancement, price relevant motif data. In the service overview on the geometry tab, you'll now see the sizing of the motif in its nominal, requested and actual sizes. There is now a billable column which informs you which sizing will be used for billing. Here we have the customer payment terms portlet. Closing a gap between AdSuite Enterprise and Market, there is now the payment relevant fields available on both products. In the customer's miscellaneous portlet, again, gaps between Market and Enterprise have been closed with the addition of fields in Market. On the customer basic data portlet, a new field, online denier, has been added. If this field is ticked, this will prevent any adverts for that customer being automatically uploaded for online, should that be part of your workflow. I would like to now introduce some new functionalities in AdSuite Market. We can now put reports into the collection portlet on the dashboard. The share with others has now the possibility to share the link via an email, and the close all on the action menu bar will automatically revert you to the dashboard. Shortcuts to reports can now be placed into your collection. Here the portlet is called My Workspace. The report can be run from there. And some new functionality we've added is with the share with others. On clicking share with others, you now have the option to put the shortcut into an email. And the email template is presented, and you can then send the shortcut to the report via the email. Next we have the close all. If you use the close all button on the action bar, then you will automatically be returned to the dashboard. Our experience with customers has shown that the dashboard is the best starting point for any advertising activity. Now I want to show you the changes that we've done in the AdSuite administration. Searching within AdSuite administration previously was a full text search and could return many entries which matched that search term. Searching has now been improved with the addition of radio buttons, so you can now use the or, and, or exact operators so you can better search within the admin tool. So now we look at mail management, and several fields have been added to the list view to give you more information about emails. So now we're going to look at the order server tasks. With the introduction of an active tick box, you can now enable or disable order server tasks easily. By default, when you create a task, this tick box will be inactive. The next functionality I want to present from AdSuite Market is the new material or copy chasing functionality. This is designed so that customers can deliver material to the advertising and production department. So here we have an order, and in the service overview there is a new menu option, material request. As its name suggests, this will give you a list of any material requests that have been sent to the customer. From here you can create a new material request, or by using the plus icon, or by selecting an item from the list, edit and work on the requests. Here we see the user interface for a material request. This form is dynamic. You can configure the fields that are available here in the form and also in the email that gets sent to the customer. What you're now seeing is the browser portlet for material processing that the customer would use. This is accessed by clicking a link in the email that's sent to them, and from here they can upload content and communicate back to the ad production team. This is a screenshot in AdSuite Admin of the material chasing administration used to configure the material chasing action and the email template configuration. You can see lots of options here for including data from the order and the customer to be embedded into the email. And finally, for material chasing, there are order server processes that are required to send out the initial material request emails and any reminders that may also be sent. And next I'd like to present a development idea from Alpha, and this is around improvement and automation of customer correction proofs. These are some of the ideas you can see here in the bullet point list. The implementation of the new functionality will be as a license model. What we'd like to do is get some AdSuite users to participate in the development, and obviously those customers would have the license automatically enabled. The target end date is for Q1 2023. Finally, I want to talk about Outlook 365. In October 2022, Microsoft blocked the basic authentication method for Outlook 365. Authentication for Outlook 365 is now achieved using OAuth 2, and this feature will be available in AdSuite 2022.12. However, because of the database extensions that have had to be done, no patch will be possible to earlier versions of AdSuite. So to summarize on the presentation today, we looked at some extensions in AdSuite Market, closing some of the gaps between enterprise and market, enhancements that have been done in AdSuite Admin. We had the new material chasing copy functionality and the development idea from Alpha for customer correction proofs, and then finishing off with the Outlook 365 authentication problem. Thanks for watching the presentation. If you have any questions, you can email them to product.development@alphamedia.com. Should you wish a personal presentation of any of the features that you've seen or of an AdSuite Market demonstration, then please contact your Alpha Media team. Thank you. Bye.